Hello everyone and welcome to Technology with AK. In this new video, I'll teach you some amazing command prompt tricks that will amaze you. So let's get started. So first of all, opening command prompt. You can either do it by searching from start, command prompt, just enter. But what if we open command prompt from a different way? For that, just click Windows key plus R. The run application will get open and just type cmd. So the command prompt will get open. So the next trick is to change the color. How to change the color? Just type help space color. By the way, I'll give these commands, all commands, in description. So let's type help space color. So these are the colors that you can apply to command prompt by adding these numbers or these letters. You can add these colors. So just press any key to continue. Let's press enter, and now let's say I want to keep the color aqua, so I'll just type color space 3. So the color is changed. So let's try gray. I'll type color space 8. So it's gray now. But when we close command prompt and open it again, so the default color is white. So to change the default color, just right click on this icon and click on defaults, and you can change the screen background color here, like blue, green, aqua and all. We'll just keep it black, and by clicking on this green text you can change the colors of the text. Let's say I'll keep it green. Just click OK. Now just close this and open it again. Now see, the color is green by default. So the next trick is to change the directory, which is users and Lenovo. So for this, just type help space prompt. Click enter, and now these are the keys you can add to your custom name. So I'll not add it. If you want, you can do it. Now I'll just press any key to continue, click enter, and I'll type prompt and a custom name. Just add a custom name and click enter. Now see, your directory is changed. And what if we change the title, which is the next trick? So for that, just type title space and add a custom title. So let's say I'll keep this. So the title has been changed. The next trick is how to see the system info in command prompt. So just type systeminfo. Just enter. Now it's loading. Now this is the system info: OS name, OS version, boot device, and everything. So the next trick is to view installed programs in your laptop. So for that, just type wmic space product space get space name. Just click enter, and now it will take some time, and the programs installed are here. The next trick is how to open any site with your command prompt. So for that, just type start space and enter the site name. Let's say I'll open google.com, so I'll write www.google.com. Just hit enter, and now see, the Google is open. So let's close close this. And now the last trick is how to clear this whole page. So for that, just type CLS, so the whole page will get clear. This is for the tricks of command prompt. If the video was helpful, so like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.